Hello, I'm Regenia Rawlinson, and I am thrilled to have you here today. I'd love for you to visit my website at www.villagec.com and connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at 7 of 17. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest content. Thank you for your support. Today's video is about effective communication and proving how you interact with others. Effective communication is essential for building strong relationships and achieving positive outcomes in both personal and professional settings. It goes beyond simply speaking clearly. It involves active listening, empathy, and adaptability. Active listening is the foundation of meaningful dialogue. Focus on the speaker, maintain eye contact, avoid interrupting, and paraphrase to ensure understanding. Clarity and conciseness are equally important. Organize your thoughts. Use simple language and be specific to avoid misunderstandings. Empathy allows you to connect on a deeper level by understanding others' emotions and validating their experiences, fostering trust and stronger relationships. Nonverbal communication, such as body language and tone of voice, also plays a crucial role in how your message is received. Aligning your nonverbal cues with your words enhances credibility and ensures your message is perceived positively. Constructive feedback, both giving and receiving, is vital for growth. Be specific. Use I statements and focus on behavior rather than personality when providing feedback, and remain open and reflective when receiving it. Adaptability is key. Tailor your communication style to suit your audience, considering their preferences and the context of the conversation. Conflict resolution is another critical aspect of effective communication. Stay calm, focus on the issue, and use I statements to express your feelings without blame. Seek common ground and collaborate to find solutions. By practicing these strategies, active listening, clarity, empathy, adaptability, and constructive feedback, you can enhance your communication skills, navigate difficult conversations, and build stronger, more meaningful connections. Communication is a two-way street, and valuing others' perspectives is just as important as expressing your own. Start implementing these techniques today to improve your interaction and your relationships. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video on effective communication and proving how you interact with others. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at 7 of 17. If you enjoy my content, consider joining me as a member on Patreon for exclusive content starting March 14, 2025. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.